There is no cop near the signal. Let's just escape and jump the signal. अरे इंडिया है भैया, यहाँ ऐसे ही चलता है. You don't care to wear a seat belt. You don't care to wear a seat belt इस चलता है. You don't wait for the signal to turn red. You just show your hand and cross the road. अरे यहाँ ऐसे ही चलता भैया, ये हाथ दिखा दिया ना पूरा ट्रैफिक रुक जाता. You aim to throw a waste paper in the dustbin and it misses and falls on the street. You don't care to pick it up and put it back in the dustbin. अरे चलता है, साफ करने वाले उठाएंगे ना. You just finished a bag of chips and you throw it out of your car's window. इस चलता है. You clean your house and throw the trash over the boundary wall into the neighbor's compound. इस चलता है. You went to a restaurant, you order a food and you don't like much of the food, so you leave much of the food. Now you don't care whether the food is finished or not. अरे इतना ही तो छोड़ा है, इतना तो चलता है और वैसे भी मैं बिल दे रहा हूँ, तेरा क्या जा रहा है. You don't seem to have much work at office. You plan to skip office without applying leave. अरे एक दिन तो चलता है. You don't care on the election day. You don't go for voting. You just choose to relax at your home or chill out with your friends. अरे चलता है और वैसे भी एक के वोट से कुछ भी नहीं होता. But you order a pizza and it's not hot. अरे भैया ऐसा थोड़ी चलता है. Your order from Swiggy or Zomato got 10 minutes late. अरे भैया इतना late ऐसा थोड़ी चलता है. Good afternoon, I am Pragati Yadav and today I am here to talk about this Chalta Hai culture of India. Chalta Hai attitude is one of the strong idiosyncrasies of us Indians. It is a certain carefree and flexible approach to life. Also a way to justify our inaction and take an easy decision. We take pride in breaking the rules and not adhering to the processes. Someone who breaks 5 signals and reaches in half an hour is cool. Someone who drinks and drives is cool. Someone who smokes in no smoking zone is cool. We don't care about the processes and all. We just want to show ourselves that this is cool. I am cool. By breaking the laws, we think that we are cool. But whether it be the rickshaw wala who enters the wrong side of the lane to shorten his own commute, or the well-educated and well-to-do middle-class families who have the habit of littering on the streets, all such scenes are too common. It is this Chalta Hai attitude in us which leads to mediocre level of work. We are a country which is focusing more on quantity rather than quality. Because we don't care about the quality, the mediocrity in our work is very much evident. We have added volume to the number of schools in the country. Yet, you go to rural schools, you will find either the teacher is absent or the students are absent. We have achieved a literacy rate beyond 70%. Yet, you will find a bunch of grade 5 students unable to read class 3 textbooks. We are one of the top agriculture producing countries in the world. Yet, many of our people sleep with an empty stomach. All these are very common. Why? There is a lack of quality culture in us. Why? Because we have this Chalta Hai attitude. We don't care about that whether we delivered our work in an efficient manner or not. It is this Chalta Hai attitude in us which is inciting us to say, Chalta Hai attitude in us, which is inciting us not to do the work in an efficient manner. Mostly we are contented that we finish our 8 hours job in the office time, and then we don't care about whether we performed our work in an efficient manner or not. Mostly unfortunately, we can associate this kind of working attitude mostly with the government employees. But of course, exceptions are everywhere. It is not uncommon for Indians to accept delays in government services, process paperwork or the administrative processes. It is not uncommon for an Indian to expect that his effort of filing an FIR at a police station for a lost wallet is bound to turn futile. The municipality authority needs to clean the garbage and roads every day. They don't do it. The electric bulb on a street lamp is broken for a long time. Even after multiple complaints, nobody came to fix it. The electric pole is burdened with hundreds of tangled and dangling wires. The concerned municipal authority authority doesn't seem to care about the safety aspect of the students. Whether it be an open manhole, a sewing lamppost, a crumbling building, a public garden full of chips wrappers, or the dirty public washroom. Chalta Hai can miraculously make some of us forget everything and get on with our lives. It is not like that I accept that we are too quick to criticize the government that they are not doing this, that they are not doing that. But people have to be blamed as well. Because it is the people who don't demand firmly. See the country, just one comment in favor of our caste or religion and we will give our votes to the one who made us feel good. A list of perks or benefits announced in the budget for certain class of people and we will be, अरे भैया ये advantage मिल गया, वो benefit मिल गया, चलो बढ़िया. We hardly pay our attention, we hardly force, demand anything very firmly. See the conditions of road see the conditions of train and the public buses in rural areas. Water supply and roads with water logging for days and months. Even after noticing all this, we are okay with this. That is why the ministers and the bureaucrats are also okay with this. But keeping all these sensible points aside for a while, it is not like that there is the problem with the government as well. Sometimes we are really faced with the bizarre situations in the country, but the citizen of the country. Suppose criminals in India are really sometimes commit theft so audaciously that we are left with the feeling of awe and we are just shocked about that. For example, incidents like an entire bus stop was stolen overnight in Thane district of Mumbai. People stole flower pots from G20 venue in New Delhi, and 2 kilometers of railway track was stolen by thieves in Bihar and sold to scrap dealers. A 29 tall mobile tower was stolen by thieves allegedly posing as telecom workers in Bihar. Incidents like these are really mind-boggling. अब इसमें गवर्नमेंट की कहाँ गलती है? उन्होंने तो दिया ही, हमने रहने नहीं दिया. I would end by saying it is not like that we all have that chalta hai approach. Somewhere we all have that urge to bring positive change in the society, but somewhere we all feel helpless and are scared about the consequences of being assertive. We all have that thought कि अरे एक के करने से क्या होगा? I agree. खाली एक के करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. But as the saying goes कि बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. Efforts of every individual citizen have the power to bring remarkable changes in the society. For example, just realizing the simple fact that garbage is as much the responsibility of every individual as it is of the civic authority, we will not be far from witnessing a clean environment. So next time, if there is no cop near the signal, you don't jump the signal and say chalta hai. You wait till the signal turns green. But if your food from Swiggy gets a little late and the delivery guy says, sorry sir, thoda traffic zyada tha, here you can say, अरे कोई नहीं भाई चलता है, because here it is definitely legitimate to say चलता है. Thank you.